Hi, I'm Dr. Bruce Eimer, and I'm a clinical psychologist and hypnotherapist in private practice in Florida. I've been privileged to be invited to present my two-day pain control hypnosis course at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention this summer in Marlborough, Massachusetts. The dates of my two-day course are Monday, August 12th and Tuesday, August 13th. Each day is an intensive day of training that'll cover the fundamentals of using hypnosis for controlling pain. But we'll be going beyond the fundamentals and be covering the use of advanced techniques as well for those of you that are experienced professional hypnotherapists. I've been doing pain management with hypnosis and other types of therapies for over 35 years. There's really a lack of effective therapists who use hypnosis well in helping people get pain relief. Many people don't believe that hypnosis can really relieve pain and think that pain is all physical and that hypnosis is just a bunch of smoke and mirrors. This couldn't be further from the truth. Hypnosis is effortless, and so is pain. Pain comes without effort, and trying to fight it and kill it is usually futile. I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people with hypnosis to get relief from their persistent pain. In my course, you'll learn my specialized techniques. You'll learn the fundamentals of pain assessment. We'll cover in detail definitions of hypnosis and definitions of pain in a way that will allow you to incorporate these definitions in your hypnosis pre-talk with your patients. I'll teach you various ways to help patients during the waking state to reframe their pain condition. We will then cover, after we cover assessment and the hypnosis pre-talk, the choice of appropriate inductions. We'll go over a number of inductions that are very useful that I use routinely in working with pain patients. And then we'll cover hypnosis pain treatment strategies. You'll learn my 8 Ds of pain control, my AWARE framework, and you'll learn how to formulate effective pain treatment strategies using hypnotic techniques. We'll also cover hypnoanalysis in the second day utilizing idiomotor signaling techniques. We'll talk about uncovering the emotional factors that are unconscious that maintain pain, and we will cover ethics and minimizing inadvertent negative consequences when you use hypnosis with people that suffer from physical pain. Last but not least, we'll cover the use of hypnosis in the treatment of various common chronic pain conditions, such as complex regional pain syndrome, persistent headaches, low back pain, and pelvic pain, and several other types of common forms of chronic pain. There'll also be a little bit covered on the use of hypnosis in the treatment of pain associated with cancer. I hope that you can join me for this groundbreaking workshop, which I'm excited to present in August 12th and August 13th at the NGH 2024 convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Hope to see you there.